All right, ladies and gentlemen, quick little video, bucket repair.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, she is broken.
You guys notice what kind of rocks I pull out with this thing, so yeah, we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna grind it out, fix it up, do it real nice. So let's get to it. All right, I got the big fan going. Got the big grinder out. Let's grind some stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, got it kind of ground out there. Oh, wish I could go on forever. I know you guys might see a little bit of a split crack there, but I got it lined up again, all the holes, so that's good. Tip alignment's good, so I'm gonna weld that out 60-11 and then 70-18 cover pass. So yeah, let's see how it goes. right, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see, I did the root pass there. Decently clean looking. Now I'm going to put a couple of cover passes, 718. Couple. We'll go from there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see, welding rods everywhere. All right, so this is a backyard quick fix. Slathered some welding rod in there. All right, so you guys can see I blended it a little bit. It's just to prevent cracking. It's ready to go back out. So it's hot here, and I wear a welding jacket, humid, heat, wonderful. No AC, no fan when I'm welding. So yeah, fixed it. Let's get back to work with it. All right, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up if something didn't look right. Oh well, too late now. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Aloha.